Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Cloudways balance and payouts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from your Cloudways balance, first, log into your Cloudways account. Navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile icon to access the drop-down menu. Select the wallet option from the menu. Once you're in the wallet section, you'll see your current balance displayed. Look for the withdraw button located on this page. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will now need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure the amount does not exceed your available balance. After entering the amount, you'll be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Choose between options like PayPal or bank transfer based on your needs. If you select PayPal, ensure your PayPal account is verified and linked. If opting for a bank transfer, provide the necessary bank details. Review the withdrawal request carefully before finalizing it. Once confirmed, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message regarding your request. Cloudways will process your request within their specified time frame. Monitor your email for updates on your withdrawal status. Check your chosen payment method to confirm the arrival of funds. If you encounter issues, consult the support resources available on Cloudways. This completes the withdrawal process from your Cloudways balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.